Hello, my friends out there in the YouTube world. What is going on? So, today is New Year's Eve, and it is low 50s here in southeastern Pennsylvania. So, yeah, I decided I have to ride, end out the year right way on a motorcycle. So today I am on the 23 Lowrider ST Harley Davidson, and it is a lot different from the VMAX. Dude, it's like totally different seating position, hand position, everything. Yeah, the rider's triangle is totally different from the VMAX, and you know, it felt weird at first, but here I am. So like I said, it's New Year's Eve, and we are out here riding. I'm on vacation again, which is nice. I get like 7 weeks vacation a year, which is yeah, it's really nice. I know a lot of people don't get that much, but I do. So anyway, I hope everybody out there had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope everybody out there has a wonderful New Year, since you're not going to see this till after the New Year. 2024 has been kind of challenging for me. Aside from all the YouTube problems, which are minor in scope to the personal problems that, you know, I've encountered this year, which I won't discuss on the channel, but that is private matters, and if you know, you know. But yeah, it's been a challenging year for me. So yeah, so I'm hoping 2025 will be a better year overall. I mean, there were certain parts of 2024 that were great. I did pick up the motorcycle, even though it took me quite some time to be able to ride it. I did pick that up. That was a trip from hell, but you know, it was fun to be down there. The ride down and the ride back totally fucking sucked. So yeah, that was yeah. But anyway, that part was good. But there were a bunch of different things that happened over the course of this year that really yeah, just totally blew. So moving on to 2025, hopefully I will get my YouTube channel in order in some way. Hopefully I will be putting out more content than I had this year, because honestly I really didn't put out a whole lot of content this year. You know, until recently I stopped putting out content for a while. So yeah, hopefully next year will be more content. Hopefully I'll be doing more things next year to warrant content, because I know it gets boring just fucking me sitting here talking to you, rambling on about nothing in particular and everything in general. Ah, shit, I forgot about this construction up here. This road sucks, guys. Look at this shit. Can you see that? They got it all fucking torn up. It's gonna come into my lane. This road sucks. They put in new water lines, I think it was. So, and they haven't repaved this part yet. And yeah, so it's just totally fucked up. It's been like that for a little while now. You know, at least at this point there's no steel grates that I gotta go over, or steel plates. It's just all fucked up roadway. So yeah, like I said, hopefully 2025 I'll be able to get out more and be able to do more. There are a few things that I have in mind. I'm not going to talk about them because just in case they don't come to fruition, I won't talk about them. But yeah, I do have some things in mind. Going to a couple different things. You know, planning on going to a couple different things. If it actually happens, it's another story. You know how that goes. So yeah. So anyway, to end this video, I want to wish each and every one of you guys out there a happy new year. Happy 2025. I hope it is good for you. I hope 2025 is better than 2024 is for you, for everyone out there. All right. So until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Happy New Year. Peace.